Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to increase RAM on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Settings application. Look for the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically found towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls various settings on your device, including language preferences, system settings, and more. Step 3. Now locate the RAM booster option and tap on it. Step 4. Next you'll see 4 options: RAM booster, the first option; off, the second option; 2 GB, the third option; and 4 GB or 8 GB as the last option. Step 5. Finally, select the option that works best for your usage. Once you've made your choice, tap on the Reboot Now option. This will reboot your phone and instantly increase the RAM. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.